symptoms of a hernia are typically a bulge and pain. It is common to have a bulge. The bulge can be small or large, and usually with strenuous activities, the bulge tends to become larger, also with walking. However, when you lie down, it's very common for the bulge to disappear. Pain, on the other hand, might be severe pain or mild pain. Some people complain that they just have a funny feeling where the hernia is. There's a mild crampiness or discomfort. But in any event, these are the hallmark signs: pain and a bulge. There are other symptoms of a hernia which are secondary symptoms, and the secondary symptoms are related to other issues involving the hernia, such as constipation, difficulty with urination, and if there is, however, severe pain, then there's a possibility of incarceration or strangulation. In any event, once you feel that you may have a hernia, it's very important that you seek medical help with a doctor or preferably a hernia specialist.